Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm gonna show you how you can customize a screen lock for your Vivo X80 Pro. Right now my screen lock is just a swipe up. Little demonstration: if you want to unlock this phone, you just need a swipe up and then you're in the phone. For that to change, you want to go to settings and then go to security, and then you can see here screen lock. Swipe is my current lock, but you can also choose another one. You can choose none, which is not very secure. You can choose a pattern, a pin, or a complex password. This is numbers, letters, special types, everything you like, a pin or a pattern. We're gonna go with a pattern today and gonna draw our pattern. Next, draw the pattern again to confirm. Draw our pattern again, confirm. And now lock screen. How do you want the lock screen to display? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. You can choose here whatever you like and then click on done. So now our screen lock is pattern, and when we go back and lock our phone and want to unlock it, lock it again, we have to draw our pattern. If you ever change that, you just go back to your settings, go to security, go back to screen lock, and then you have to put in your screen lock again to confirm that you really want to change your screen lock, and then choose any other type you like. That's how you change your screen lock on your Vivo X80 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.